How to reset location and privacy on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down to the end and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap on Reset below. From here, you can choose to reset all your settings, network settings, keyboard, home screen layout, location and privacy, and more. From the options, select Reset Location and Privacy. Enter your passcode to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily reset location and privacy on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.